Welcome back to Brundage World. As you can see, the Carnival Horizon has arrived to Cozumel, Mexico. You probably can tell by the excitement on our face that this is our first time here. Side note, look at the seriousness of Jaleesa's face. We might have a track start on our hands. Once you disembark the ship, our first stop is Cozumel Duty Free. Let's go! Welcome back to Brundage World, ladies and gentlemen. We are in Cozumel, Mexico right now, leaving Puerto Maya, and we're heading to downtown to get some shopping done, to get some genuine Mexican cuisine, and maybe check out the Mayan ruins as well. We're gonna keep you guys posted. Let's go! Alright, we're at the red light. We are no longer in Grand Cayman or Jamaica, so we're driving on the right side of the road now.
Back to civilization.
Yeah. Oh, check this out here. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but it looks pretty neat from here.
That's the Mayan ruins right there.
Oh, look at that person right there.
Oh, they just get real.
Oh, you see that? A statue, right?
Yeah.
I've been seeing them on TikTok.
Oh man, that's dope right there.
They move whenever you give them a tip or something like that.
Oh man, that's crazy. Two ships over there, dog. Celebrity cruises. Horse chariot.
Who's on tour?
All right, we are downtown Cozumel, and we are shopping around the local shops. I should have showed y'all the t-shirt I was thinking about getting. Oh, they got one right here.
Let's see.
Let me show you all. Let me know if you think I should get it.
You got it here?
I have for guys too. Look at.
What do y'all think? Oh, Earl, they got one for you too. That's funny. Excuse me. We gonna get you this shirt. Y'all think we should get Grandpa this shirt?
No,
Jaleesa said yes.
Hold on now. You pick that Grandpa.
Never is better, Jaleesa.
That's the same thing.
Check inside, familia. Welcome. Kitchen, children.
Come on, you all. Yeah, well, because we're in Mexico, it might be so clear. But when we went live on the cruise ship, it was very blurry. Jaleesa, you like that? These kind of like the glasses Eric had. Cute dresses up there.
Oh, yeah, get yourself a gun.
Oh wow, that's a serious gun holder. I needed this brown dress last night. Oh, here I go. Hey. This is cute. This, I don't have a baby this size, but that would be cute. Oh, you think we should get a guavera? You have size 10, 12? Earlito? Oh yeah, that's true.
My wife was quarantining something like this.
It's like 10 foot, right?
Yeah.
My wife to get something like that.
Let me ask.
Okay. Definitely not good in that shirt. Right, Erlito?
This is the place.
Hello, ladies. Braces, caps, chain, bag.
I'm looking for my father and my husband.
Swimming beach.
Había unos 20 despistados que sí empezaron a gritar.
Did y'all see where your dad and grandpa were?
En el partido había muchos mexicanos.
What's that?
Bueno, menos mal.
Oh, that's cool.
Eso también se llama.
¿Tengan mami? Oh, yes, look at that. You'll get it.
You have to pull the string. Oh, Delisa. It's okay, honey. It's okay. So how do you put the string back?
So I'll show you. Okay, yeah.
You just wrap it around?
Diogo Costa, arquero que debuta en Copa del Mundo, el arquero del Porto. Se mueve William Carvalho. Prefiere Cancelo jugar con Rubén Neves. Y Neves con la apertura para que Rafael Guerreiro de primera la esté jugando con Danilo.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So you put in the hole and then you twirl around. She's gonna do it.
Aquí viene Rafael
Look, Delisa. How much?
Están $10.
$10.
Pero por ti,
Huh?
one $10. 3 pieces, good price. ¿Por qué? 3 pieces?
Erlito, you want one of those? Oh, okay.
You don't want one? Okay. You want it?
It's kind of cool.
Somebody said hello.
Yeah, but he said he don't want
Somebody
it.
said hello. They said hi. You got
Erlito, give it back to her if you don't want it. If you don't want it.
Say hi. What's wrong? What's wrong?
Delisa, what's wrong?
Oh, you know how to do it? How do you do it?
You just have to pull the string, honey.
I'll take it.
Oh, you know how to do it, honey? Oh. It's okay, honey.
Delisa, look, Erica's gonna show you.
Hey, look, you don't pretty
Delisa, look.
You just put it in the little bowl. Is you happy?
No.
I put a stone in her face.
You want it to listen?
You want a
Look,
butter, honey?
Delisa.
Why you want that? Tell me why. It's cute, but you don't have any room to put it in.
We don't need that.
How much? ¿Cuánto?
¿Es peluche?
No.
Trompo.
Trompo. No.
Ah, peluche.
Sí, peluche, sí.
$12.
Oh? No.
Right.
Too much.
It's big.
No. At least to put that stuff back. Y'all not gonna buy it. We're gonna take it out of your money. You wanna pay with your money?
What? No.
Put it back then. Put
You
it
said
back.
you didn't want it.
Put it back then.
Don't play with it if you're not gonna buy it. Teresa likes it. She just doesn't know how to do it.
Yeah, that means she's not gonna
At
eat.
least say he wanted, but not if he has to pay for it
You
with
gotta
his
pay
money.
for some things you gotta pay for yourself.
But Daddy has the cash, so if you want it, you gotta go tell him. Oh, we have the musician over here. Hello, can you go? Hello, can you go?
Come on, let's go. Come on, you guys. Let's go. Elisa, put that back. Give it back to her, honey.
You gonna buy that?
You want it?
Teresa?
You gonna hold on to it? Huh? Okay, put that back.
Jalisa, let me see what you're getting. You like it? It's a video, honey. What? It's a video. I'm recording you.
What?
Huh? Huh? It looks good.
You got a mirror?
You like it?
From his son. Earl.
Earl, your dad needs your opinion. Jalisa, where's Earlito?
Earl!
Your dad wants to know if he
Wait
should.
a minute. I'm trying to get Earl. He waited in there. Please wait. You put it in your purse. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. How cool is that? Avión. What is that? Área mexicana. Para ejército. Ejército mexicano. Ejército mexicano.
My room right up here, right? Right there, to the right. Yeah, I figured that's what it was when I seen it the other time.
Oh, right here?
No.
That's not true.
No. It's a replica and the real thing. The one further down. You gotta look and see. You think you know what it look like, right? You want to tell him drive slow?
Primero del restaurante.
He said you want to do the liquor store first or the restaurant first?
It's over here, right?
Don't they start
Hay una mejor, se llama la europea. Ahí puedes conseguir lo que quieras.
You say you know the better place that has everything, but I'm not sure if you want your own store. Okay.
That's fine. If you got it. Bring it.
Aquí.
I see it.
That's it.
Okay.
The sign right there?
No, it's not the sign, but we good park el parque aquí en un momento. 5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
All right. Aquí park.
Let go.
All right.
It's the worst part about traveling. We always gotta bring that home. We have it.
Jesus, it's smooth. They gonna wrap it at the boat. They had a picture of the Maya. They had one. I got it's a collector's set. It's like a cowboy boots.
This might be it.
We're about to eat at one of the famous restaurants in Mexico, Cozumel, baby. La Choza Restaurante Bar. Let's go. Senor. Oh, bro, it smells good here, too. Anybody hungry? Anybody hungry? Time to eat. Rodito? You guys hungry? Alright. We are currently at a restaurant in Cozumel, Mexico. It's called La Choza Restaurante Bar. Check out this little waterfall they have here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to grub, y'all. Let's get it.
What is this boat in front of us there?
Marine travel lift.
Huh?
Oh, that is Tyler.
Clear boat over there. That boat is clear. See the bottom of it.
Oh, that's dope. We're going on another cruise next year for Christmas. We're break. I don't know where we're going. I think we're going to the western direction. We're going west, but we're going to
Before we head back to the ship, check out these cool photos we took while we were in Cozumel. I'm sure you heard the old saying, all good things must come to an end. If this is your first time here watching Brundage World, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when our very next video drops.